How to create a poll on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a poll on your WhatsApp chat. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So in order to create a poll on your WhatsApp chat, you first have to open up your WhatsApp and then head over to a group where you have to create a poll. So after you get here, you can see under your message bar, you will see this clip icon. You just have to tap on it and you will find different options here like sending a document, open up your camera gallery, audio, send your live location, share your contacts, and finally create a poll. Just tap on it and you can ask your question right here, and then you can add your option. So once you do that, you can add multiple answer. You can allow multiple answers as well, or if you just want them to answer to one option, you can just turn this one off. And once you are done making your poll, you can just send this. And as you can see here, it shows select one. That means you can only select one option like this. So you cannot select multiple options. But if you want them to select multiple, you can choose the previous option. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.